5 daily good habits. Wake up early and plan your day. Waking up early gives you more time and peace. When you plan your day, you know what to do first and what to do next. This helps you feel calm and organized. Think positive and be thankful. Always think about good things in your life. Say thank you for what you have. Positive thinking makes the heart happy and reduces stress. Eat healthy food and drink enough water. Healthy food makes the body strong and the mind fresh. Drinking enough water keeps you active and helps your body work properly. Do some physical activity every day. You do not need heavy exercise. A short walk, stretching, or light exercise is enough. It keeps the body fit and the mood good. Read, learn something, or think about your day. Read a book, learn something new, or think about what you did today. This habit improves knowledge and helps you become a better person every day. Thank you for watching and time.